welcome back to our channel.
Every time.
I'm excited today because it's Czech Republic. Have a time. Let's get to it, guys. Let's get to it. Puff fries. Looks like shit, so I'm going to get out of the way.
Yeah, it does look like that. It looks bland as anything, it looks shite. Looks like that.
Tastes like sugar puffs without sugar.
It's all puffs. Tastes like puffs.
What do puffs taste like?
I'm about to find out. Got stuck to the table.
I need to swallow it.
Well, I didn't really, because it's all stuck in my teeth.
Oh. What do you rate that then?
Crap.
Zero.
Again, there's an ongoing theme. Let's make our snacks as bland and crap as possible so our kids don't get fat.
We should do that. Oh, Americans should do that. So. Sorry.
Well, apparently we're like the fattest nation in Western Europe or something now, so yeah, we probably should. There we go. If any MPs stumble across
Problem
this,
solved to obesity.
childhood obesity is solved. Just giving these crap things.
So we've got Margot Artemis. Looks pretty. It's got coconut in there, so I won't like it.
You don't know.
Well, maybe it does. There's always a cat trying to get in.
There's always the same cat trying to get in.
No, that's coconutty.
Oh, that's so coconutty. It's like a bounty. It's bountiful with coconut.
That looks like cake.
Oh my god, that looks awesome!
It's so pretty. Oh, it smells like Malibu.
Maybe it is. Oh wait, no, it does. Smells alcoholic.
That's Malibu. I think that's alcohol.
Put some airs on your chest.
It smells like and smells like and tastes like Malibu. It's a very strong taste of alcohol in that. Oh, I'm pissed. Oh no. 0 for me, that's disgusting.
It's made by Nestle.
You should have a warning.
Why does it taste alcoholic? I don't get it. I don't even know why I'm looking at the ingredients because it's all in Czech.
To be fair though, if it doesn't have Malibu in it, then it also has a very, very strong flavour of coconut. But I can taste alcohol in it. Yeah, it's got alcohol in it.
What does it say? Oh yeah.
Alcohol. So it's got proper Malibu in it and it's absolutely disgusting.
Well, it's not necessarily rum. Malibu rum. Malibu's coconut rum in it.
I think so.
Yeah, not necessarily got rum in it. It tastes more like frigging antiseptic alcohol.
It's got straight strong.
Tastes more. It's like.
Ooh, pissed.
It's like the stuff you wash your hands with when you've been in the hospital.
Thanks. So watching that. Anyway, what do you want to taste first? Since now I've got alcohol.
Well, I'm gonna up it, and by up it I mean down it.
That's a 0 for me, right?
Oh god, it's -10. It's horrible.
Minuses now.
Yeah, starting with the alcoholic coconut Margot chocolate bar.
Come on, we need to appreciate.
Which was extremely pretty.
Come on, no one wants to sit here and watch us ramble on about crap.
This is all people watch.
Alright, come on.
There we go. Okay, so we got this.
What is it? It's an orange thing.
Yes, it is, but
Oh dear.
I'm not gonna tell you what it is until you eat it.
What is it? It's marzipan.
Does actually look a bit like marzipan.
It looks like shit.
It looks like a congealed baby turd.
Ew. So why am I going to want to eat it now? It's not going to be some tree again, is it? Let me smell it then. If you know what it is. And is that coconut again? Is that Malibu again? That's making my eyes water.
It's like paint dinner.
Tastes like fucking glue. What is it?
It's a soy bar. Oh, not just any soy bar. Original.
She did that to me on purpose, you know. She sucks.
In all fairness, though, we are both paying the price because you eat it too. Sorry, I eat it too. Not you eat it too. I eat it too.
That is a minus 1,000 and freaking million.
Do you really think that's worse than the alcoholic chocolate bar?
Yeah.
Really?
Do vegans eat that?
I don't know. It's soy, isn't it? So
What if I've got a soy allergy?
oh, we're going to find out soon. You've had soy before. Soy's in a lot of stuff. It's just you haven't had a full-blown dog treat.
Turd.
Okay,
I'm going to go into it.
In fact, we had a nephew a few weeks ago, and this looks like a solid version of what was in his nappy the other week.
You didn't need to chuck it at me.
That's the paper.
So, if you are someone that watches all our videos, you know that I'm not a fan of wafer. So, here goes. I do feel sick.
Oh, I like the look of that. Okay, look.
Not bad, actually.
What are you doing that bit?
Nothing.
Well,
It's greedy. Oh, yeah.
I'll eat that later.
I give it 2 flavours. Chocolate's quite nice, actually.
I like both of them.
5.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm saving this one for last because it's...
Cat.
What is it? 2 minutes. Come on then. Right, so we saved the best to last. Praline. Love praline. So we're gonna give this a try. Oh, looks promising. Oh, I think it's dark chocolate as
I was
well.
going to say Sharon's caring, you know.
Oh,
Nummy num num.
Oh, yeah.
Num, num, num.
Quite away.
It's a bit cheap. Oh my god. That dark chocolate's so strong.
It does taste cheap.
Mm.
But it is nice. I couldn't eat a lot of it.
I could. And I will. Made by Nestle.
What is it?
Apparently Nestle own Orion.
All right.
So we've learnt something
You
new
know
today,
what?
kids.
For the flavour, I'm going to give that 4. I'm going to give that 4.
Mm.
So,
Weren't the worst, weren't the best. Yeah, 4. 4 works.
I'd say that was the best one we've tried today. Well, you know, obviously everyone has different opinions.
Well, to be fair, right, you've got wafer, praline, soy shit, alcohol shit, and sugar-free sugar puffs. So yeah, the praline wins. We do have more. We've got like... No, we've got a lot more. We just thought we'd do like half of it in part 1, half of it in part 2.
Cat's being a weirdo.
So not to keep people for too long.
For the people who subscribe, thank you for subscribing. If you're new watching this, please hit subscribe, hit the bell, get the notifications, share, like, and just, yeah. Thank you, you know, for your support, and
Enjoy watching us eat.
we will continue. Cat's been weird. But, yeah, we don't take up more of your time. So, over and out. We'll see you next time.